not like this or that, then I have to leave. I live all the time. You're not like this or that, you're gonna have to. Have your attention, please.
I don't wanna be anything other than what I've been trying to be lately. All I have to do is think of me and I have peace of mind. I'm tired of looking around rooms, wondering what I gotta do or who I'm supposed to be. I don't wanna be anything other than me.